Hey, you SurRon geeks. So I said I'd give you an update on what I've done. Pretty close. I still need the brake. If anybody has a solution for putting a moto style actual dirt bike brake on a SurRon, I need that. And I really would like a steering stabilizer. So those are my two things that I still want to do to this thing to kind of make it more comfortable for me and easier to ride. I did take it to Walker Valley today, which if you know Walker Valley, did some of the off the map trails, did pretty well. I ended up halfway through the ride turning the brake regen off, which made a big difference for me, from my style of riding anyway. Way easier in the really technical hard stuff. I still got, piles of dirt in there. Anyway, forks are holding up pretty good. Just a little sketchy in the front still. The SurRon's kind of sketchy, and I'm kind of a sketchy rider, so I'm hoping maybe if I can get a stabilizer solution that might help just give me more confidence in the front end. But other than that, it's very, very close. Did a ride with my gas bike buddies and able to keep up for the most part and actually pass them in the really technical stuff. So there we go. Anybody knows how to do a rear brake, moto style rear brake, or has a solution for a stabilizer, put in the comments. Oh, and by the way, here's my pants for the day. I think they're gonna need the pressure washer before I put them in the washer. Maybe I'm gonna need to do the backpack too. Out!